In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a shape in Canva. First, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. Then, go to the Shapes category and choose the shapes that you want from these options. For this video, I'll just choose the square and the star. Next, there are two ways that you can do to rotate the shape. The first one is just by selecting the shape. Then you'll find the small button right here. Just click, hold, and move it to any direction that you want. Now the second method is by selecting the shape, then go up to the top toolbar and click this position option. After that, go to the Arrange tab and locate this rotate value. All you have to do is type the specific degree that you want into this column. Let's say you want to rotate it to 45 degree. All you have to do is type 45, click enter, and it will change right away. And that's how you rotate a shape in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.